Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Lime app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Lime is a micromobility app that offers electric scooters and bikes for rent in many cities around the world. The app allows users to locate nearby vehicles, unlock them via QR code, and pay cashlessly for short-distance urban travel. It features real-time availability, ride history tracking, and integrates safety reminders to promote responsible riding. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Lime is praised for its intuitive interface, broad coverage in urban areas, and convenient booking process. Many users appreciate the app's eco-friendly approach to transportation and its smooth payment system. It also provides useful features like route tracking and ride statistics. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional connectivity or GPS inaccuracies, vehicle maintenance issues, and price surges during peak times. Additionally, battery levels and scooter availability can vary depending on location and time, which may affect reliability. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Lime app may be worth using if you want an easy and green way to navigate short trips in cities with a reliable scooter or bike sharing service. It shines in user experience, accessibility, and environmental benefits. However, if you need guaranteed vehicle availability or consistent pricing, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.